Today I'm showing you how to unlink Instagram accounts on your Android device if you have multiple accounts linked together. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Instagram app. Open the Instagram app on your Android phone. Step 2. Go to Profile. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Step 3. Open Menu. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Step 4. Access Settings. You should now be on Settings and Activity. Step 5. Go to Accounts Center. Look at the top and tap Accounts Center. This shows all Instagram and Facebook accounts linked to your profile. Step 6. View Linked Accounts. Scroll down and tap Accounts to see the list of all connected Instagram and Facebook accounts. Step 7. Select account you want to unlink from your main account. Look for the Instagram account you want to unlink from your main account. Step 8. Remove account. Tap Remove from Account Center or simply Remove. Step 9. Confirm removal. Instagram asks you to confirm that you want to unlink the account. Tap Remove Account to proceed. Step 10. Complete unlinking. Tap Continue again to finalize. The selected account is now unlinked and no longer connected to your other accounts. You might get other confirmations, so just follow the prompts. And that's it. You've successfully unlinked Instagram accounts on your Android device.